On April 12, 2023, police pulled over a woman after running her plate and finding out it was suspended.
Stay in the car.
What are you putting me up for?
It shows you're suspended.
I'm not suspended. I just sent out a check. I'm not.
Okay, let me see your driver's license. Let me see your driver's license.
It's nothing to see, bro. It's nothing to see.
Let me see your driver's license.
I'm gonna call my case manager because I just sent out that check. Really have a whole.
Do you have your driver's license and proof of insurance?
Yes, I do. But you just pulled me
over. May I see
it? What was your reason for pulling me over?
You failed the signal go around the truck and
no,
it showed you're
I didn't.
suspended.
No, I didn't. You just lied. Watch out.
No.
What are you doing? What are you doing? I'm closing my door.
I'm conducting a traffic stop.
Okay, but you didn't know, bro. Watch out. Let me close my door.
No, you're not closing.
Let me close my door. You're doing.
Do you have your driver's license? Yes or no?
What do you need my driver's license for?
I'm conducting a traffic stop. Well, that's why. I need to identify who you are. What's your name then? Since you don't have your driver's license.
Who told you I didn't have my driver's license? You just passed.
You haven't produced it.
I don't have to produce it with anything.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't. I put them over to get gas. Out of my face.
This is a traffic stop.
I don't care what it is. I don't care. I don't care.
Identify yourself to me. Understand that?
I don't care. I don't.
If you don't identify yourself, I'm going to arrest you.
You're not arresting anything. What the f***? Like,
sure about that.
You just do. Is this car not in my name? Is it?
I have no idea who you are.
Okay, well, I'm trying to get in contact with who I need to get in contact with because I have just sent out some papers, so, yeah.
Put the phone away.
What are you telling me to put the phone away for? And I'm telling you I'm calling my case
I don't care who you're calling.
No, because
I need to identify you. Put the phone away. Do you have ID or not?
Yes, I do.
I need to see your ID.
Okay, well,
if you don't show me your ID, I will arrest you.
Well, can you shut my door?
No.
I'm about to keep calling you until I get a hold of somebody because they just sent the check out for me. There's nothing for me to tell you. I can give you a piece of paper to tell you that they sent the check out, but there's nothing else that I can get you.
Okay, well, I need to see your ID. Is that what you're getting, your ID?
No.
Huh? Unless you're getting your ID, quit reaching around the car. Last chance. Come over here.
I'm telling you, I'm providing you with my information. That's up. Like,
do you have your ID or not?
Yes, I do, but get the back. Like, you're like I'm here for my fucking life. I'm a black woman. You're always shooter. I'm trying to call my
quit reaching around the car.
Did you just not tell me to provide you with my ID? Yes or no? Yes or no? Exactly. I'm looking for my shit. You're tripping.
Okay, I don't want you looking around the car. Why don't you just give me your info?
Indian. Go ahead. Call away.
Put your phone away.
I'm not putting my phone away because I'm calling my case manager. I'm not putting anything away. That's going to tell me I can't call and make a phone call.
What's your name? India?
Indian. Like I just said, Indian. I try to provide you with the paper. You act like you...
Stop reaching around.
Hey, step out of the car.
I'm looking for my ID. The just told me.
Now I'm ordering you out of the car. Get out of the car. Get out of the car.
All right, watch out.
Get out of the car.
All right, get out. Watch out. Watch out. So I can lock the door and get out and put my keys in the car.
Get out of the car.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Why are you grabbing me? You see this? Why are you grabbing me?
Step
Bro, I'm trying to call my case manager. Why are you grabbing me? Bro, watch out. Why are you grabbing me? I'm trying to call my case. Watch out. I'm trying to. Watch out. Please stop touching me. Please stop grabbing me up. This shit is insane. Watch out, bro. I'm trying to call my...
Stay right here. Where are you going? Stand right here.
Stop touching me, bro. I'm trying to call my case manager. Move.
I just put her in.
Like, I'm trying to call my case manager. This shit is going around. This shit is blowing the out of me, bro.
You can't seem to cooperate.
You already have all my paperwork. Watch out. No,
why can't you just cooperate? This ain't that hard. Stand right here.
I'm sure you've never been homeless before. Don't keep touching me, bro. Don't keep touching me, bro. This shit is annoying.
Let's try this
I already told you what my name was, bro. This shit is unnecessary. You can find that out, can't you? I tried to get you my information, but you didn't want to let me give you my information, so...
What's your date of birth? What is your date of birth?
Bro, I'm trying to calm down right quick. Like this, you already grabbed me.
I'm not your bro.
Well, I'm trying to calm down. This trying to calm down. So y'all stop grabbing me and let me like...
I've been trying for the past 10
you
minutes
have not been
to
trying
identify
to
you.
do nothing. I told you I was giving you my paper. Like, the fuck you took my phone and everything. What was
you can make this easy.
I'm trying to make a phone call to tell y'all the check has been... This shit is irritating. Go to jail for what?
What is your date of birth?
Because you act like you didn't know who the I was when you pulled me over.
I don't know who you are.
Okay.
I have no idea who you are.
I hate ignorant shit. Like, this is dumb as... Okay.
What's your ID number?
I don't know.
What's your home address?
I don't have a home address. I'm currently residing in my car, like I just told you.
Stay right here.
Can you let me go? Could you let me go, bro?
You're not being cooperative.
I'm not touching you, though. Like, come on, I just need you to let me go. Like, I'm already in hand restraints. What more can I do? What or can you let me go, bro? Can you just let me go? Like, I'm just asking you to let me go. Okay, can you tell her to let me go?
No.
You've never been slipping in your car before. I'm sure you haven't, so can you just tell her, like, let me go?
You're not running the show here.
I'm not telling you I'm running the show. I'm asking you to let me go. Like, she don't have to keep holding me.
If you would just relax and take a deep breath.
I'm trying to.
You're not.
You keep touching me. Y'all keep touching me like I'm not already in handcuffs. This is annoying as this. How are you gonna tell me I'm not allowed to make a phone call?
Because right now you're detained in handcuffs.
Okay. This is annoying as when I just told y'all that I have a check that already got sent out. And I hate white officers, bro. White people, period, bro. This is annoying. Like, it don't take 6 officers for one black woman.
Someone's making a scene. Sometimes
I didn't make no scene. You don't even know what you're talking about. Well, may I use the restroom or something? Like, maybe I could just throw my and pee right here. Okay, well, I need to use the restroom and some other. Could you walk into the bathroom in here?
In the car and the seat.
You
The
just
door's locked.
turn on your front pocket right there.
Bro, y'all not getting my car. I'm homeless. Y'all is not getting my car. I'm sorry.
Well, we can give you some resources for a homeless.
I have resources, bro. That's what I'm trying to get y'all to. That's what I'm trying to tell y'all.
Unfortunately, with being suspended, we have to tow your car. Okay?
No, y'all don't. No, y'all don't. I'm homeless. What do y'all keep? No, y'all don't, bro.
You know you shouldn't be driving. Okay?
Okay, but I'm homeless. This is like no. Bro, what are y'all doing? Like,
Sorry.
No. Somebody help me, please help me, bro. I'm homeless.
You're making this a lot worse than it needs to be. Stop.
Because I'm homeless, bitch. Have you been homeless before? You're not gonna tell me I'm making this shit a lot worse. Get the here, bro. This shit is irritating, bro. I don't know, bro. I don't know.
Stop. Just relax. It's worse than it is.
Let me go, bro. Like, I have anxiety and everything, bro.
Okay. Do you want to sit down?
I can't breathe, bro. Watch out. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. Oh, my God. Can I grab my phone when y'all let me go?
Want me to let you go? Yeah, you can take your phone.
Bro, what the f? No. Y'all did not even ask me to search my car.
It's coded
That's what I do.
If it's going to get towed, we have to inventory and make sure there's nothing in it, okay?
Bro, so can y'all let me go? Can you help me, please, sir? Can you please help me, bro? I'm homeless. I'm homeless, bro. I swear to God, I'm homeless, bro. I need so much help, bro. Help me, bro. Please help me, bro. Please help me. I can't breathe, bro. What's wrong? Stop touching me. Stop touching me. I have my keys. Y'all told me I could keep them.
No, we did not.
Yes, I did, bro. Please, bro. I swear to God, I cannot lose my car, bro. I don't have anywhere else to go. I don't have anywhere else to go, bro. I can't go anywhere else, bro.
Just sit in the car and be an adult. Let's go.
I'm trying to.
Okay, stand up.
Can I call my case manager, bro? I swear to God. Bro, I'm homeless. What part of homeless do you not understand? Oh my gosh, bro. Oh my gosh. This shit is. Oh my God. can't breathe, bro.
face.
Let go.
I can't breathe.
Stop spitting on people.
Get off of me, bro. My arms is bleeding and everything. Got it.
You gotta calm down, and your breathing's gonna get better, I promise. We're gonna help you out. You just gotta be cool. And,
Okay, bro. I'm in restraints everywhere. Like this. Please,
well, you
man.
can't be fighting with people, alright?
Cause he just lied. He just lied, bro.
If you're cool, we'll all be cool, alright?
Okay, I'm cool, bro.
Alright, I appreciate that. I'm the ambulance, so.
Okay, I just need you to check me out. This
All
shit
right,
is
no
annoying.
problem.
I need to make a phone call.
You're not
No
gonna get
problem.
out right now.
I'm not talking to you. Shut up.
Alright,
I'm not talking to you.
Look, I'm gonna bring my
Fuck
monitor
y'all,
over
straight
here.
Me and shit. Watch out.
I'll be
This shit
back,
is irritating
okay?
as f- I know y'all can't take me out these cuffs. I'm laying shit.
17.
Stop touching your
Stop
mask.
touching me. Stop
I'm telling you one more time.
back. Get the fuck back. Pussy ass.
Spitting on us.
Get the fuck back.
How about no?
Fuck out of here.
Yeah.
Pussy ass.
Yeah, well, you're in the back of the car, huh?
Yeah, cause you can't fuck with me.
All right, dear.
Stop touching me. Stop touching me. Stop touching me. Is you retarded?
Stop
Do you
touching
not
my
understand English?
I do.
Do not touch me.
Stop. Mask.
That's why I touched my hands on you the first time. You don't really want it. I swear to God you don't. Don't touch me again.
Yeah.
You keep doing that on the slide, I will serve both of y'all. I swear to God.
You realize
I
you're getting
swear to
charged with
God.
calling a PO,
I
right?
swear to God. I don't care.
All right.
I don't care. I don't.
The suspect was charged with driving under suspension, simple assault, and assault on a police officer. She is innocent until proven guilty.